What's the deal, my beautiful people? It is your girl Spark here, and today we are going to try the Sensational What Lace wig. This is Solana and Burgundy Wine. This is a synthetic wig. Let's test it out, see how this turns out.
Working on a weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts.
So this is the Solana wig and Burgundy Wine. I do love it. Like I said, this is a synthetic lace. I didn't do the baby hairs. I didn't pull the baby hairs out. I don't feel like this needs that at this moment. If I do, I'll probably do a little bit right here. I'm gonna keep it. It's pretty long. And the link of where I purchased it down below. See y'all later. Make sure I hit that subscribe button. Happy quarantine.